Did you know over 60% of drivers don't trust auto repair shops? And they're right, because shady mechanics are scamming people every single day. From fake repairs to hidden fees, they're quietly draining your wallet. In this video, I'll expose 17 common scams they use, and the final tip could save you thousands and make sure you never get scammed again. Scam number 17, the urgent fluid flush. Your coolant's disgusting. It needs a flush right now. Sound familiar? Many shops push fluid flushes way too early, sometimes at 30,000 miles. But most modern cars don't need them until 50,000 to 100,000 miles or more. Shops love this scam because flushes are high profit and quick to perform. They may even show you dirty fluid, often not even from your car. Always ask for proof, a test strip or lab result, and trust your manual, not fear-based sales tactics. If your car's not overheating and the manual says you're fine, skip the flush and save your money. Scam number 16, the mystery check engine light. That dreaded check engine light pops on, and the mechanic says it could cost $1,000 plus. But here's the secret. Often, it's something minor. A loose gas cap can trigger it. Instead of panicking, get a cheap OBD2 scanner, around $20 online. Plug it in under your dashboard and read the code yourself. Google the code to learn what's really wrong. Many fixes cost less than $20 and take minutes. Don't let mechanics throw big words like catalytic converter failure at you without explanation. Know what the code means first, then decide what to do next. Scam number 15, unnecessary air filter replacements. The mechanic shows you a filthy air filter and says, "This is yours. It needs replacing." But is it really? Some shops keep a dirty filter on hand just to scare customers. Truth is, most air filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Unless you're driving in dust storms every day, you're probably fine. Want to be sure? Check it yourself. It's usually in an easy-to-reach box under the hood. Even better, take a photo of your filter before your service. If they try to swap it, you'll catch them red-handed. Don't pay for what you don't need. Scam number 14, the synthetic oil pshash. You need synthetic oil. Your engine demands it. Not always true. Unless your car's manual specifically says synthetic only, you might be fine with regular oil. Mechanics love to upsell it because it's double the price and boosts their profits. Sure, synthetic is better in extreme temps or for high-performance engines, but not every car needs it. Check your oil cap or manual. If it says 5W30 conventional, don't switch just because someone tells you to. Conventional oil does the job just fine for most daily drivers. Save your cash and stick with what's recommended, not what's hyped. Scam number 13, the brake pad. Scare. Your brakes are dangerously low. Sounds serious, right? But unless your brake pads are below 3 millimeters, you're probably fine. Many shops push replacements at 5 millimeters or more to get your money early. Pads typically last 30,000 to 70,000 miles, depending on driving habits. Ask to see the measurement using a brake gauge. If they refuse or won't explain, walk away. Also, many cars have squealers, built-in indicators that squeak when pads are truly low. Don't get bullied into a $400 brake job you don't need. Always get a second opinion before saying yes. Scam number 12, the factory only. Parts lie. You have to use factory parts. The aftermarket will void your warranty. Total myth. Many shops push OEM, original parts, because they're expensive and bring bigger profits. But 89% of aftermarket parts work just as well, according to industry studies. In fact, they're often made by the same manufacturers. For example, an OEM oxygen sensor might cost $250, while an aftermarket one is just $75 and works the same. Unless your warranty explicitly requires factory parts, which is rare, don't overpay. Always ask, is there a quality aftermarket option? The logo doesn't fix your car, performance does. Scam number 11, overcharging for simple fixes, $150 to replace a cabin air filter. Total ripoff. Shops love to charge big for tiny jobs, like wiper blades or air filters, because most people don't know how easy they are. Truth is, you can do it yourself in 2 minutes with a $10 part from Amazon. Open your glove box, pop it out, slide in the new one, done. Same for wiper blades. Don't pay $80 for a job your kid could do. Before you say yes, YouTube the fix for your exact car. A quick search could save you a ton of money instantly. Scam number 10, the phantom repair. You pay for a repair, but guess what? It never happened. That's the phantom repair scam. A shop might say they replaced a part, like a fuel pump or timing belt, but didn't touch it. You'd never know unless you check. Always ask for the old parts back. That forces mechanics to actually do the work. Also, request before and after photos of any major fix. If they dodge or delay, it's a red flag. This scam costs drivers billions every year. Don't be one of them. Demand proof, ask questions, and read the invoice closely. Scam number 9, the warranty void. Lie dealerships love to say, if you don't service here, your warranty is void. That's a lie. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. As long as maintenance is done properly, with quality parts and fluids, your warranty stays valid, no matter where you go. Want to use an independent shop or do DIY oil changes? Go ahead, just keep receipts and records. Don't let them scare you into $400 oil changes or overpriced services. If a dealer denies coverage unfairly, report it to the FTC. You have rights, know them, and don't fall for this classic dealership scam. Scam number 8, fake products like blinker fluid. Yes, some shops still talk about blinker fluid, and sadly, some people fall for it. While it often starts as a joke, shady mechanics take it further by pushing fake or unnecessary products. Ever been offered $50 premium windshield washer fluid? It's probably the same $5 stuff from the store. Others will try to sell miracle fuel additives, muffler bearings, or AC recharge kits you don't need. Bottom line, if it sounds fake or oddly named, it probably is. When in doubt, ask questions and do a quick search. Don't let made-up products drain your wallet. Scam number 7, the shock and strut upsell. You need new shocks and struts. They're worn out. But how do they know? Some shops push replacements just because your car hit 60,000 miles. That's not how wear works. Shocks and struts go bad from rough roads, not just age. Do this. Press down on each corner of your car. If it bounces more than twice, then maybe it's time. Otherwise, you're good. Replacing struts can cost over $1,000, so don't agree without symptoms like poor handling or uneven tires. Always ask for proof and get a second opinion. A smooth ride means your suspension is likely just fine. Scam number 6, inflated labor hours. You see a bill showing 3 hours of labor for a job that took 30 minutes. That's inflated labor time. Mechanics charge based on book time, a set estimate for each job. But if they finish faster, you still pay the full amount. For example, an alternator replacement might list 2 hours, but a skilled tech might do it in 1. That extra hour, pure profit. Always ask for a labor breakdown and check sites like RepairPal for standard rates. If the quote seems high, don't be afraid to ask why. Overpaying for speed? That's not fair. Scam number 5, the timing belt. Panic. You're told your timing belt is about to snap and it'll destroy your engine. Sounds terrifying, right? But here's the truth. Timing belts are designed to last 60,000 to 100,000 miles, sometimes even more. Mechanics love to push early replacements because it's a $1,000 plus job. Always check your owner's manual first. If you're not near the recommended mileage or showing signs like ticking noises or engine misfires, you're probably fine. Don't let scare tactics rush you into unnecessary repairs. A second opinion could save you big. Remember, fear sells, but knowledge protects your wallet. Scam number 4, the alignment you don't need. You hit a bump, and suddenly the mechanic says you need an alignment. But unless your car is pulling hard to one side or your tires show uneven wear, chances are you don't. Alignments are easy upsells, quick for the shop, expensive for you. Some shops push them automatically during tire rotations. Want to be sure? Ask for a printout of your alignment specs before and after. If they refuse or can't show one, walk away. Your car might be driving perfectly fine. Don't fall for vague explanations like, it just feels off. Scam number 3, the transmission flush scare. Your transmission fluid is dark. You need a flush immediately. That's a favorite line in the mechanic playbook. But here's what they don't say. Many modern transmissions don't need a flush for 100,000 miles. Or ever, depending on the model. Some flushes can even damage your transmission if done unnecessarily. Don't be fooled by scary-looking fluid alone. Ask if it smells burnt, or if the manufacturer recommends replacement. A flush can cost $250 plus and might be completely pointless. Always check your manual before agreeing. Remember, just because it looks dirty doesn't mean it's dangerous. Scam number 2, the battery replacement scare. You bring your car in for something minor, and suddenly the mechanic says, Your battery is about to die, but is it really? Many batteries last 4 to 6 years, and some shops push replacements early just for profit. Always ask for a voltage test and request the printed results. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when off. Don't fall for vague comments like, "It's a little weak." Check the date on the battery. It's usually stamped on top. Unless you're having starting problems or your lights are dimming, you probably don't need a new one yet. Scam number 1, the free inspection trap. Free inspection sounds like a good deal, until you get a surprise list of expensive urgent repairs. Shops use free checks to get you in the door, then pressure you with made-up problems like cracked belts, bad suspension, or leaks. The truth, many of these issues are exaggerated or totally fake. Never approve repairs on the spot. Say, "Thanks, I'll get a second opinion." That alone scares shady mechanics off. A real issue can wait a day. And remember, just because something's free up front doesn't mean it won't cost you hundreds later. If this video helped you save money or avoid a scam, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart car tips. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update.